Hi everyone. So for this assessment, I decided to check my kindergartner's understanding of 2D and 3D shapes. I used Google Classroom, which is something that I haven't used before, but from what I have seen, I really like it. So this would have been the quiz that I would push out to my students, and I've actually already taken it, so it says that the score has already been recorded, but I just wanted you to see that how it was set up. I chose to do multiple choice, which is probably going to be the only option here that could work with my kindergartners. So the question, click on the triangle, they would click on the triangle and then go to the next question. There is a question at the very end where they would have to select multiple answers, so I chose the checkbox option. This is a Michigan State standard. It is something that I have to check understanding with my students. Do they know what the names of all of the 2D shapes are and the 3D shapes are, and can they distinguish between a 2D shape and a 3D shape? So that was something that I covered on my assessment design checklist. Just, is every assessment that I'm administering something that is connected to a state standard? Is it something that I actually need to do? And in this case it is. One constraint of using this software, however, is with kindergarten students, especially early in the year, are not able to read the questions. So I was trying to find something that would read the question to them so that we could use this earlier in the year. And I did find an extension for Google Chrome that is called Read and Write. But unfortunately, it just read the entire page to them, so it didn't really help with this particular assessment. But this is what I would choose to do if my students were able to read the questions.